Hey everyone, today I'd like to do a quick share video of the two sticky club kits that I got for August. And here's the website. I will also put a link below. And if you're not familiar, this is a sticker kit club. What I like about it is it's very affordable. It's $10 a month, and I think it's great value personally. The quality is great. They offer 3 different kits that you can choose from, and the way that they do this, you still have time, if you subscribe, you still have time once they show the sneaks to cancel for said month, or after they reveal the kit, you still have time to subscribe and get the kit a little bit later than what you would if you just, relied on the sneaks. But you get that flexibility that you're not committed to a kit that you might not like. So this month I have the cute one, which I tend to get every month. Although I think this month I probably could have skipped it because it's dinosaur themed. And then there's the retro kit, which I haven't checked, but if you're an Alice in Wonderland fan, you might want to grab this. I was so excited because I just came back from Disney and I'm very happy about it. So I'm going to start with it because I'm just a little bit more excited. Also, international shipping is $2.50 and I usually get it. I mean, this month I was abroad. I just returned yesterday. And so it didn't really matter, but usually it comes within a week I'm in Europe and this comes from LA, so that's really, really fast for me. It comes already like this. I didn't arrange it, that's how it comes. And you get this sticker which tells you which kit it is. It's really comfortable to, where's my folder? I have a folder where I keep mine. I don't know, I just came back. Everything is a bit of a mess. But anyway, I'll just show you, even though I'm a little bit hesitant about using these stickers because they're so cute, but that's how these are meant to use. And then you can put the other one on the other side. Ooh, sneak peek. So you know when you have like a few in your folder, you know how to use them. Personally, I love using these in my Hobonichi and kind of like memory planning. Because they are so flat, it works really well with a planner that you don't get that bulk. So let's take a look. Oh, it's so cute. Let's zoom in just a little bit more. This is the sticky notes, like Post-its or something. Super cute with this beautiful illustration. And yeah, it's just a sticky note. And then this is beautiful. So this is metal, it feels like. I'll just, take it out. Very rusty on making videos, but I love this and it's just beautifully made. I think the quality is really there. And yeah, you can see it's like metal, but it's super, super thin. So you could use this also as an embellishment on a scrapbook layout because it's not going to add a lot of bulk. And then usually there are some flakes, as they're called, and one paper clip. So this one's a bunny. And then the flakes are these beautiful clear stickers. Let's take a closer look. And we have here lots of very retro style. So usually I'm actually not so much into the retro style, but they make such beautiful products that I had to get a couple of their retro kits also. They also had a recent sale, so it might be worth to subscribe to them or check them out on Instagram so that you know when they have sales, because I got some of last year's kits for like half price or something. I think they were $7 or something like that. So these are the flakes. Lovely. And now let's look at all the stickers that come. So sleeve is really nice quality. Okay, I'm just trying to look through which ones are, oh, they're all very cute. So again, this is like retro style. So we have here this one with the bottles, drink me, super, super cute. And the detail is just lovely. These have washi finish, beautiful. Then these are like little stamps, again with these retro style illustrations of Alice in Wonderland. Oh, it's double-sided, so you get a lot. Then we have these cute ones, so these are a little bit more kind of illustration, not so retro. Really, really cute. This is probably a bit more my style, but I think Alice in Wonderland is probably one of my favorite Disney movies. So, yep. This one has sayings on it. And again, the finish is kind of like washi tape. These are just beautiful. They're really, really thin and lovely. Then we have these bunnies. So these are clear. And they're not super shiny. And then last but not least, these beautiful, more intricate style of illustrations with the clock theme. And if you're not familiar, I think you have to get these to know what I'm talking about. The quality is beautiful. So these are, again, this washi kind of finish, which I love. I think these are probably kind of washi stickers are my favorite to use in planners. So that's the retro kit. I'll just move it aside. I put it all back in the sleeve and it stays nice and organized. And then the cute pack is dinosaur themed. So I'm gonna put the sticker here. I love dinosaurs, and actually my youngest Lily is quite scared of dinosaurs, but yeah, there we go. So we get this cute fabric patch. These are the Post-its. I think you can see without me taking it out of the pack. The paper clip is kind of like a flying dinosaur. And then the flakes, I'll take them out for you. These are really cute. Cute, cute, cute. I really find these kits easy to use, and you can use just a bunch of them on a page. And because you get so much every month, you know, I don't get too precious with them, so I like that as well. Now let's look at the sticker sheets. Let's see, I'll keep the best for last. So a few clear ones. Have this one, happy birthday, party time. Really, really cute. I do like the style, so I don't mind so much that they're dinosaurs and not like other cute animals. This one is, again, I like the colors. It's probably not my favorite cute kit, but it's still cute. What else? Okay, these are all really, really cute. Very dinosaur-y. So these ones are a little bit more rounder. These are not clear, so there's no need to put them on the backing. But yeah, great finish, really beautiful quality. I know I'm repeating myself, but I have to say that sometimes I come kind of to the planner world from more of the scrapbooking world, and sometimes the quality that you get with scrapbooking supplies is not that great. And the prices are, especially if you're in Europe and you don't have, you know, great sales or coupons or that sort of thing, the prices are up there sometimes for like, you know, $4 or $5 for a sticker sheet. And although these are smaller, you get so much for $10, and I think the quality is fantastic. Okay, the last two are also clear. These I love. These are probably some of my favorite this month. So teeny tiny, but I just use a bunch of them on pages and I love playing around with them. And then I love the color scheme here, like all these mint and warm tones. And this one has kind of food items, which is always fun. And dinosaurs, of course. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back with a video showing you what I got on their sale. I don't know if everything is still available, but just so you have an idea of what you can find, or, you know, if the sale was worth it. I think it was. And also a haul of the stuff I got in the US, as well as a recap on what I used and what I didn't use. So I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.